Most people fail with faceless YouTube automation because they jump into the same crowded niches everyone else is already fighting for. They spend weeks posting videos only to get a few views and no real traction. The truth is that by the time a niche becomes popular, it is already too late for new channels to grow fast. In this tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how I spot viral faceless YouTube automation niches long before they become saturated. These are the methods I use to find fresh topics with low competition, high demand, and massive growth potential. If you want YouTube to finally start working for you instead of against you, make sure you stay to the end. And if you get value from this, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. The tool I rely on to uncover fast-growing, high RPM niches for my faceless YouTube channels is called Vitz AI. This platform makes the entire discovery process almost effortless. With Vitz AI, you can explore what is currently trending in the faceless AI space, uncover fresh niche ideas, analyze channel patterns, and even access viral script concepts that are already proving to pull in massive attention. It feels like having a behind-the-scenes view of what viewers are gravitating toward before the rest of the crowd notices. I will leave a link in the description below so you can sign up for free and test this tool yourself. It is one of the easiest ways to stay ahead of the saturation curve and consistently find niches that still have room to grow. The screen you are looking at is the main dashboard inside Vitz AI, and this is where the real power of the tool begins to show. This section gives you a complete breakdown of every filter you can use to uncover hidden faceless YouTube channels that are already performing well but are not yet saturated. You can filter channels by creation date, how many AI-generated videos they have, their AI usage rate, the number of long or short videos they upload, their average views, their total views, their video categories, and so much more. It feels like having a detailed X-ray of the YouTube automation space laid out in front of you. With just a few clicks, you can narrow down your search to channels that are growing quickly, using AI heavily, and tapping into niches that viewers are responding to right now. This is where I start whenever I want to spot a niche early, because the data inside this dashboard shows you patterns you would never see by browsing YouTube manually. You can also turn on the toggle button to automatically remove inactive YouTube channels from your results. This helps you focus only on channels that are actively posting and still getting traction, which makes your niche research a lot more accurate. If you scroll further down the page, Vitz AI begins showing you a full list of YouTube channels, along with detailed data for each one. You will see their country of creation, subscriber count, the ratio of long-form videos to short-form videos, their total views, and even their average views per upload. As you move toward the right side of the table, you will find information on when the channel was created, the date they last posted, and a preview of their most recent video. All of this information works together to help you quickly identify which channels are growing, which niches are heating up, and which opportunities are still early enough for you to enter. Now let's switch over to filtering by keywords. For this example, I'm going to use the keyword documentary because I want to find channels that are performing well in the documentary niche. Once I type that in and apply the filter, the tool immediately pulls up a full list of channels that match what I am looking for. You can see the results displayed below, and each channel comes with all the detailed information you need to study the niche properly. You get to see the country the channel is operating from, the ratio of long-form videos to short-form videos, their subscriber count, their total views, their average views per upload, the date the channel was created, and the date they last posted. Everything is laid out in one clean view, which makes it incredibly easy to analyze what successful channels in that niche are doing and gather ideas for your own faceless automation content. Now I want to take things a step further by narrowing down the search even more using the filters. For this demonstration, I set the channel creation date to 6 months so I can focus only on newer channels that are already gaining momentum. I also set the number of AI-generated videos to more than 10, because that helps me find channels that are actively using AI in a consistent way. I leave the other filters as they are and then click on the search button. And just like that, the tool brings up dozens of AI-powered faceless YouTube channels that are doing incredible numbers right now and earning thousands of dollars every single month. It is honestly surprising how much potential these niches have when you catch them early. This tool gives you 10 free searches at absolutely no cost and without asking for any credit card. But if you want to use it more often, either for your own channels or to offer niche research as a service, you can subscribe to one of their affordable plans. You also get a special discount when you use the link in the video description. Try it for free, explore what it can do, and let me know your thoughts. I will see you in the next video.